Error code 0xC000005 is a Windows error that usually pops up when an application fails to launch or crashes unexpectedly. This error usually means access violation. The program tried to access protected memory. Common causes include corrupted or missing system files, faulty RAM, incompatible drivers, and malware infection. Let's begin! Sometimes just a simple restart can clear out those temporary glitches that cause this error. It's quick, easy, and often does the trick. Alright, so here's what you do next. Press the Windows key and S together, type in CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. After that, type sfc/scannow. Hit Enter and let the tool scan and fix any corrupted system files it finds. Once it's done, go ahead and restart your computer. If the system file checker didn't fully fix the issue, don't worry. Just open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Then type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. When it's finished, restart your PC. That should help sort things out. Faulty RAM can cause this error. Go ahead and press the Windows key +R, then type mdshed.x. Press Enter. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Let Windows Memory Diagnostic complete and check for any reported errors. If a specific app keeps throwing this error, you'll want to press the Windows key +S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Next, type bcdedit.x/set current NX always off. Press Enter. Then just restart your computer. Just a quick note here. This disables DEP system-wide, which is honestly not recommended for security. It's way better to configure DEP just for the problematic app. So, right-click this PC and go to Properties. Click Advanced System Settings, then Settings under Performance. Go to the Data Execution Prevention tab. Choose Turn on DIP for all programs except those I select. Click Add and browse to the app's executable file. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted drivers can also trigger this error. So here's what you can do. Press the Windows key +X, then choose Device Manager. Take a look for any yellow exclamation marks next to your devices. If you spot one, just right-click the device and select Update Driver. It's a pretty straightforward step that can make a real difference. Malware infections can actually cause memory access violations, so it's a good idea to use Windows Defender or, a third-party antivirus to do a full scan. And don't forget to remove any threats that are found. Okay, if the error only pops up with just one app, here's what you should do. Uninstall the app through Settings, then go to Apps and select Installed Apps. After that, reinstall it from a reliable source. Also, make sure Windows is fully updated. Just press Win+Y, go to Update and Security, and then hit Windows Update. Be sure to install all available updates. Now, if none of these steps help, let's try a few more things. You could do a system restore to revert your PC to a time before the error started, or maybe a repair install, which is an in-place upgrade that refreshes Windows but keeps your files. And, as a last resort, you can do a clean install of Windows.